This is how you use BTCPayJungle. So the first thing you want to do is create your account. You go ahead and type your email and put in your password twice. You probably know how to do that. I'm not going to show you how to do that. So I already have this account created, and I'll show you how this works. So I'm just going to sign in. Then once you log in, you can watch these videos and it'll explain it to you how it works. But what you want to do is just go to stores, and the first thing you want to do is create a new store. I'll call this the chair store. Then you want to set up a Bitcoin wallet. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can actually create a hot wallet if you want to. It's a watch only wallet, and then you should do SegWit because it's the cheapest fees. I wouldn't do legacy. If you like the threes, for some reason you could do that one. But we'll go with just regular SegWit. And then it gives you 12 words. Obviously I'm not going to use this, so it's just an example. Don't send any money to this. Don't try to take any money off of it. Once you write those down, you just go like, you click done, and it's pretty self-explanatory. But better than that, you can connect to an existing hardware wallet, or just any wallet that you might have. I'm just going to go ahead and put a public key here. So I just copied and pasted that. Depending on what kind of wallet you have, you can get this in several places. I know on Cold Card you can get it if you upload it to the SD card. You want to keep that air gapped, of course. But then, if you use a Cold Card, you're probably going to import the hardware wallet. Blue Wallet lets you get this extended pub key too if you need it. Just so you know, this is just bacon 24 times. Again, don't send any money to that one. But once you do that, you want to double check these addresses, triple check them, because, you want to make sure that these addresses that are, people are sending money to actually correspond to your wallet. And then once you check it, go ahead and click confirm. And I'm just going to kind of go over this right now, but if you did want to set up a Lightning wallet, it's a little bit more complicated, but you can just put your custom Lightning node there. So here's the general stuff. It's the chair store. Let's say you want to go www.chairstore.com. I'm not going to really do that, but you can do that. You can do some of these things, allow anyone to create an invoice. You can enable PayJoin, but to do this, you need to have a hot wallet. You can set how long you want the invoices to expire, and just kind of go through all of this stuff. I wouldn't really mess with any of that stuff. Just go ahead and click save. Then you want to go to apps, create a new app. Call this a chair store also. You can also do a crowdfund. I've only done this once, but you might find that useful. It's kind of like GoFundMe, but with GoFund myself with Bitcoin. And then we'll just go ahead and click create, and it defaults to this tea shop. And you can see here all these different tea products that they give as examples, right? But we want a chair shop. I like to keep this static. I do not want user can input custom amount. I don't want a discount. I do not want to enable tips. Although, depending on your needs, maybe you're like a waiter or something, or you have some kind of service business, maybe you do want to enable tips. But I'm going to not click that for now. And this will say what the text is. You can change this if you want. If you want it to say something other than buy for, you can do that. I wouldn't worry about any of this stuff. This is fun. I like to change the CSS, and you do that by using these Bootstrap themes. And I just clicked on the, just to kind of go over that again, I just clicked on this, it brought me to here, and then I clicked on this boot swatch, and then I'm going to go look for a theme, and if you want to see those, here's the different ones, or some of them. Let's say we want to have flat and modern. We'll do that, right? So I go back on here, and then I look at themes. There's Flatly. Click on that. Then if I want to look at it, it'll show me all the buttons and headings and all this fun stuff. And what I'm going to do is click on this Flatly, and then it says Bootstrap CSS. I want to right click on it, and then I'll copy link address. And then I go back to this, and where it says custom Bootstrap CSS file, I'm just going to go ahead and paste that. And let's see, I'll take out some of these. Edit this. Let's say we want to charge $100 for our chair. We are selling chairs to buy Bitcoin or whatever, right? I mean, you can put whatever you want in here, or maybe for Bitcoin. If you only have like 10 or 100 or something, you could change the inventory. You don't have to do that though. Just put whatever you want here. Let's go buy now. Take that off. And then so typo, but let's see, I want to get a picture of a chair. This red one looks nice. Copy link address. And then with the image, what I'll do is I'll put it there and save changes. And now that's changed to a chair. Let's do another one. Let's go look at some other chair. This one looks good. Yeah, whatever. Copy the image address. Change the description. Maybe this one I will put a inventory. Let's say I have 10 of these chairs. Okay. Save changes. Oh. Can't have the same ID, so change that. Now we have another chair. And we'll just delete that one. Now, if you wanted this to redirect to another site, you can do that. If you wanted to go something else, I mean, you could do that too. And like right here, I think it would be good. Like if you had like your web page that said, "Oh, thank you for buying," or something like that. Here's the description section, and you can do anything that you might like. If you've ever worked with like WordPress, it kind of reminds me of that. Only it's like a smaller version of that, obviously. So I can make this a header, right? And then I can make it centered. Change this again, go back to the left. You can change all this. Just kind of, you know, mess around with it or whatever. You can add photos if you wanted to. Same thing, you're just gonna put the photos in there. Another thing you could do, like let's say you take your own picture. What I used to do back in the MySpace days, I would just like use ImageShack to upload photos, and you could do that too. and then you'll get the URL once you do that. You don't have to like just steal pictures off the internet, but I was just kind of showing you how to do this, and that was the easiest way. And I think it looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save Settings here. The app is updated, and as you can see now, I have a store. To look at it, we can go to View App, Chair Store, Chairs. Okay, now like this is not the best thing ever, but like you get the idea, right? So now I have some chairs that I have for sale, and let's say I click on this, I buy now, and then it'll take me to this QR code, which I can pay in Bitcoin, and once I do that, I can send the chair. Now, you might want to do a few other things with like WooCommerce or something like that. There's ways that you can integrate this into your website, but I just kind of wanted to go over a general overview on how to do it. Thanks for watching.